Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency to Kiai Haji Mutawakil Ulama SHM, Honorable to Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab Akil as Director of Unzah and Main Examiner. And respectable to Dr. Zainuddin MPD as my supervisor too and Chief Examiner, and respectable to Mr. Ferry Ferriento as my supervisor one and Secretary Examiner. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Coordinator Jamila. Here I want to explain my research. It's entitled Exploring the Use of the Mathematics Technique in Teaching Reading Comprehension in Senior High School. Reading comprehension is an important skill in English learning because students need to understand the meaning and information from the reading text. However, based on preliminary observation, student reading activities are still mostly teacher-centered. Students have limited opportunities to discuss, interact, and actively participate in understanding text. Therefore, I choose mathematics because this technique can encourage students to be more active, collaborate with their classmates, and participate in the learning process. Next, in this research has two main research questions. First, how the mathematics technique is implemented in teaching reading comprehension and how students respond to the use of the mathematics technique. Next, in this research, based on the research question, this research has two main objectives. First, to explore the implementation process of the use of the mathematics technique in teaching reading comprehension and to understand student response toward the use of this technique. Next, in this research has two main significance, namely theoretical and practical significance. Theoretically, this study contributes to the understanding of Theoretically, this study contributes to the understanding of cooperative learning strategies in English foreign language classroom, and practically, this research can help teachers apply alternative teaching techniques to encourage students to become more active in learning. And next, based on this research based on three main theories. First, reading comprehension theory, cooperative learning theory, and mathematics technique. Reading comprehension theory, which refers to the ability to construct meaning from the text, and cooperative learning theory, which emphasizes learning through cooperation and interaction among students. And the last, mathematics technique, which is the learning technique using matching cards to encourage student interaction, discussion, and participation. Next, in this research, I use qualitative research method with case study design because my research aimed to understand deeply how the mathematics technique was implemented in teaching reading comprehension. This research work conducted at MA Darul Wahwal Karamah involving one English teacher and 11 grade students as the participants. The data were collated through three techniques: observation, interview, and documentation. I analyzed the data using Miles and Google Maps model. Consisted of three stages: data condensation, data display, and calculation drawing. Next, based on the finding, the implementation of the mathematics technique consisted of four stages. First, session introduction, preparation of matching card, matching activity, and the last confirmation and reflection.
Continue.
lesson introduction, where the teacher explain the learning topic and provide initial understanding to students. And the second, preparation of matching cards, where the teacher prepared cards containing related information, question, and answer. And the third, matching activity, where the students search for the matching card and discuss with their classmates. And the last, confirmation and reflection, where the teacher clarifies student answer and conclude in the learning activity. There are the documentation. In the discussion section, I explained that the mathematics technique is not only a classroom game, but also a cooperative learning strategy that supports students to understand the reading text through collaboration and discussion. Through matching activity, students do not only receive information from the teacher, but they actively discuss and work together to find the correct answer. This makes the learning activity more interactive. In this in this process, the teacher acts as a facilitator who provides support and helps students during the learning process. Next. In the Based on the findings, it can be concluded that the mathematics technique is not that the mathematics technique creates a more active and interactive reading comprehension classroom. This technique provides opportunities to discuss. This technique provides opportunities to for students collaborate, communicate, and discuss with their classmates, which helps students to understand the reading text better. Make a match supports student-centered learning because students become more involved in the learning activities. Nice. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I'm ready to receive question and suggestion.
Okay, give applause to Cory. Well, students, speaking in front of many people is not always easy. Yeah. We know Corina is a good in speaking, but when Corina speaks in front of many people, yeah, that's not easy. Yeah. But it's okay, Corin. Relax.
I got the questions from lecture or from student? From student lecture. Okay.
Um, Corin, I have questions to you. My questions is very simple. After this, I will let all students to give questions to Corina. Yeah. Can you give me definitions or explanations in detail about the research gap? You know, there is the research gap is what makes your research different with other research. So your research will be beneficial for the society. Please explain.
The research field ways that many previous studies focus on measuring the effectiveness of the mathematics technique through student score. However, students explore the implementation of the mathematics technique and student response to the use of this technique especially in senior high school.
Can you mention other researcher? The names? Can you mention to us?
Previous.
The previous studies?
The author.
Leonard Karen, Agus Setiawan, Nina Hasanah, and Muslimah.
Okay, give applause to Corina. Okay, maybe from the students who want to give questions to Corina, raise your hand. Yes, Umi, please stand up, Umi.
Stand up, please.
Stand up, yeah. Mention your name first, introduce yourself first before giving question.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Umi Afifa. I'm student of English Education Department, 8th semester. Your research is use the make and image technique, right? So my question is, why did you choose the make image technique instead of other reading comprehension techniques? Is it clear enough?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, just keep the microphone. This is your friend.
Okay. I choose mathematics because this technique can encourage students to enjoy, discuss with their classmates, and actively participate in the reading test.
Okay, give applause. Other students maybe want to give questions. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sophia. I would like to ask, why did the researcher choose a qualitative case study design for this research? Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. I choose case study design because it allows me to explore the phenomenon deeply within a real classroom context. It helps me understand how the technique is implemented naturally.
Enough? Clear, Sophia? Can I give applause to Other questions?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novita Agustensi. Here I want to ask about what researcher motivates you to conduct this study. Okay, I think enough for my questions.
Is clear enough. Yes.
Yes. Okay, the research group was that many previous studies focus on measuring the effectiveness of the mathematics technique is implemented in teaching. The research group was that many previous studies focus on measuring the effectiveness of the mathematics technique through student score. However, students explore the implementation of the mathematics technique in teaching reading comprehension and student response to the use of this technique, especially in senior high school.
Other? Enough. Mr. Ferry?
I have one.
I have more questions. Give the microphone to Mr. Ferry.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Finally, Pak Korea, you stand up over the head. Congratulations. Okay, for me, this is my question. How did the researcher collect the data using observation, interviews, and documentation analysis?
I collected data through techniques, observation, interview, and documentation. Observation was used to see the learning process in classroom. The second interview were used to understand student and teacher experiences, and the last document analysis was used as supporting data.
Okay, thank you. Good.
Okay, give us to Corina. Congratulations, Corina, yeah. No more presentations after this, yeah. So you can sleep well. Okay, please make a closing statement, Corina.
Okay, I think enough from my explanation. Let I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.